2, 3, 4. You can't refute it, can't substitute it, you can't control it, try to behold it, you can't confine it, or realign it, you can't change it, or rearrange its love. It's love, 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 love. You can't franchise it or subsidize it. You can't change it or rearrange it. You can't ignore it. Who's for it? Try to receive it. Better believe. Sometimes you climb the mountains. Sometimes you cross the plains. No matter how far you go, it's still the same. When the sight in your soul sees what can't be told, you got to be bold, got to be bold.